Here we go.
Ready? Welcome back to the Curvaceous Bounty of Sin City, live at well-rounded BBW Las Vegas on the third floor of the Plaza Hotel South Tower, watching all of the sober people walk in and the drunk people walk out. Although some of them walking in are drunk, so I guess it's kind of a moot point. We have Kelly, a.k.a. Lushalicious, sitting at our table with us.
I got to let you guys know that Kelly is my girlfriend and her husband is my boyfriend. Not really, but I would like it to be.
We pretend.
Nice. We pretend.
You shouldn't pretend.
I know. You should for real.
Let's make that happen.
If you are serious, girl, I am there tonight. But see, we've been trying to get Kelly to do this for years, me and Kevin have. So I'm not sure that I should take advantage of her brokenness.
Freeway, like what? How are you guys going to be like boy? Girl,
I said to her, are you going to let me stay in your room with you and Kevin? And she said, I have an extra bed. I said, no, I said with you and Kevin. I
don't want to stay in bed with you. Who said anything?
He's man enough for all of us. We're good.
That's what I heard.
I think you should make it a Kelly sandwich.
So Kelly said, so Kevin's always saying he don't get enough sex. So she sat down and I said, did you fuck your husband last night at the hotel? Yes, I did.
You know what? What floor are you on?
6.
Oh, thank God I didn't keep you up last night. There was a lot of moaning and groaning coming out from behind a lot of doors last night.
Our neighbors complained about us at 9:45.
In the morning or the evening?
Evening.
You were getting it on early, huh?
On early.
Well, how long the fuck were you?
It wasn't all night. But they had complained about us 9:45. You're in Vegas.
Right. I know. Who goes to bed at 9? You're just getting up after your nap from the day, right?
Exactly.
To start your night.
Exactly.
Now, Kelly, this is your first bash, right?
Yes.
See?
First ever bash.
First ever
official.
I hung out in the pool before. Once or twice.
We've done that.
Bash crasher,
First
official where you paid for it.
And
right. We got it.
What made you decide this time to actually be a full-fledged legal basher?
We decided a long time ago. We're like, we want to make more friends. We want to hang out.
They want to spend the night with me. Oh, sorry.
We want a threesome with her. So
if you are serious, sign this paper right here. Right here, signature.
Where's my pen?
I'm telling you.
Bring it back to me later.
We've got it recorded for posterity.
Oh yeah, I have it on record now that you've said we're having a threesome.
On video. That's awesome. For all the world to hear.
For everyone.
Okay, now we'll have to come tomorrow night and report back.
A little bit later, we're going to see Kelly running, screaming down the 6th floor hallway. What happened? Oh, Sweet Cheeks put her face right in the middle of my legs.
That's where I want them.
I know.
When you knock on the door,
well, your husband is behind me with my ass in the air, and you're laying in front of me with your pussy in my face. Let's train this up,
Where's
baby.
the sign line?
Look at she's signing. She's signing. Woo! I like Bash Kelly better than Karaoke Kelly.
Right?
So are you accomplishing the goal that you wanted to do? You're meeting new people, making new friends?
Not as much. I'm hanging out with my same friends. I have a good deal of friends, so I'm pretty excited about that. I say hi to a lot of people, but I learned earlier that what I do is creepy. Like, I don't say, hi, my name is Kelly, where you're from? When they walk by, I'm just like, hi! And they keep going. So I realize I have to adjust.
To actually make the new friend.
Right. So I'm creepy right now, but my goal is to, like, tomorrow I will not be creepy.
Well, after our night together, you'll be an afterglow tomorrow.
Creepy Kelly is a cool name.
Creepy Kelly, that's it. Creepy Kelly-licious.
Label it. Creepy Kelly Lushalicious.
Creepy Kelly Lushalicious.
That's it. I like that. Now you have to be in BDSM porn because
I apparently
with
have
a name
to.
like Creepy Kelly Lushalicious.
Right.
Now, Creepy Kelly Lushalicious, tell me what you did in prep for this bash. Did you drink for weeks straight to get ready for your own?
Well, as you probably know, my liver has been pretty prepped for a while. I gave my liver a little break for a week or two because my liver's about to take itself to AA meetings. So I relaxed a bit, and now I'm ready to go.
And wait, what is she like? Lushalicious now. Lushalicious. Kelly Lushalicious.
Right.
And she's drinking.
Lushalicious.
Too funny. So, you've been here one day, so does this mean, you're in for Flynn and from years to come, you're here?
Definitely. Definitely. This has been fun. Even if I'm creepy.
You're so funny.
Even if I'm the group creeper or something, it has been a blast.
All I know is I love the fact that you just walked up to me and kissed me on the lips. I'm telling you, I may get this signed tonight.
Where's
You don't
the paper?
seal the deal
Where's
tonight,
the paper?
man.
Do it now.
Well, her husband is just like, he'd seal the deal like yesterday.
Yeah, he's done. He signed it like a year ago.
So after this one, are you planning on going on to Bash proper?
I will not be on there, but maybe next year.
Right.
There's always next
But
year.
this is your first time, so you're
Right.
just starting out. And
Right.
And why did you choose this one over any of the 3 events that were here?
There were a lot of choices. I had a lot of friends coming here. The timing worked out. Just everything worked out for us. So
Good.
it's the first vacation days my husband has taken in 2 years.
Oh, my
And he's got a
yes.
tough job. He works outside in those 120-degree.
Right. So
He's taking vacation every year.
right. He's pretty badass. So he's like, I'm going to take a few days off.
And then hell froze over.
And it froze over. And then we're like, since hell's froze, let's make the best of it.
right?
And go crazy.
And is he having a good time as well?
He's having a blast.
Good.
It's one time because
Is he getting whiplash in his neck from all the beautiful women he keeps up
probably,
slapping around to catch?
yeah, he has to put some eye drops in because his eyes are dry from hey,
Well, and
check out all the
you
ladies.
guys usually when you hang out, because you go to a lot of the clubs, we see you there.
Right.
Only one of you can drink.
right, and
So
it is
now-
normally me.
So now there's no driving.
There's no.
And I have a scooter if you need me to run your ass
I've
upstairs.
already ridden some scooters. I'm even worse on a scooter than I am in a car sober. So we might
a
have to
super
pass on
drunk.
that.
drunk scooter driving. That's
But-
what I intend to do.
Kevin has been definitely partaking. He has his little blender. My very manly man drinks girly drinks.
He does. He just come to me and he handed me this drink, and I looked. I go, "Is this milk?" He goes, "No, taste it." And it was like a pina colada. Is that right? Okay.
Right.
Awesome.
And nobody's going to question it because he's such a big dude that, he'll punch him.
I know he's
So
a big
nobody's
dude.
going
That's why
to,
I want him.
no one's going to question his girly drinks.
So did you go to the party last night?
Yes.
And then tonight? And you plan on tomorrow night as well?
Tomorrow night as well, and swimming tonight.
Nice.
And it will be my first bikini out in public.
I'm so proud of her.
Did you make it for her?
I didn't make it for her, but I'm proud that she's like, I bought a bikini. And then I'm trying to get her to do one of the strip contests.
Ooh.
One day it will happen.
Well, her husband
down
was
with
my
it.
lap dance partner at the last Little Darlings contest.
Oh.
Yeah. So, because he was the big enough guy that I knew could lift my ass up when I wanted to stand on that chair.
How do you ask that? Can I dance naked on your husband's lap?
And I say, okay.
Well, I've always given her husband a lap dance, and I sit on
Right.
his lap, and he pounces me. So we have a lap thing.
good.
We have a lap thing.
That's awesome.
But she knows. I tell her, this is my boyfriend, and this is my girlfriend.
I almost got thrown out that night because I was trying to take pictures of the two of them up on the stage. They're like, you can't take pictures. I said, you don't understand. It's my husband.
But I can tell you
Right?
that
My other wife,
her
my
husband and I
sister
have flipped 3 tables at the Red Label from me giving him lap dances. We flipped tables.
That is awesome.
I'm drunk usually.
Now, have you taken part in any of the classes at the
I
Bash
haven't. I meant to. My intention was to do meditation.
But it's
and then
really
Tai
early in the
Chi.
morning.
It is super early.
And then some Zumba?
Zumba here? Oh,
They do. So it was my intention, but instead I woke up, and it was really late in the day.
Did they call it hangover Zumba?
Yeah, they need one where it's all like Yanni music and
Right.
napping.
I'm like, oh, we missed all the classes. It's time for the pool. So
That's
I
great.
exercised in there a little.
That's good.
Ish.
Kind of floated.
What time did you start drinking today, Kelly?
Not that long ago. We got ready. We pre-gamed it a little with my favorite Jaeger.
Yes.
And here we are.
And we have another one of our friends behind us.
Yeah, you want to
She's
come
going,
on.
no, I don't want to be on the radio.
You don't want to be.
Yeah,
next
he
to
wants
her.
to come over and say, well, thank you for sitting down with us. And
Thank you.
I'm actually going to label it Creepy Kelly Lushalicious.
Please, I'm going to go by that from now on.
Creepy Kelly, Lushalicious.
I'm going to make business cards.
Yeah, and
Pass
they're,
it out.
they're gonna have a skull on one side and a martini glass on the other.
Now, Kelly girl, I'm committed here for a few hours, but I intend to go to the pool party. So, like, can we sign that contract at the pool party?
Yeah, let's do
You
it.
bring it to the pool party?
Wait, I just want to know.
Have fun.
Can I bring the cameras?
Why not?
The skiers all gotta go to room.
Now, all of our listeners tomorrow night are going to want to know the update. You know that.
All right.
We'll be right back after this quick. No, you guys can hear the music for a while. There we go.
Right into her trap. Now
Back on. Oh, I'm sorry.
and